Starting cleaning.
Lazy to clean the house yourself manually? Just let yeedi vac station, self-emptying vacuum and mop cleaner do the task for you. It is loaded with 3000 PA powerful stroke suction power. Work for both carpets and hard floors. It also comes with mopping ability too. And intelligently identify your floor type while mopping. Automatically empty the dustbin once the cleaning task was done. In addition, it is loaded with smart mapping and navigation. Interested? Let's have a closer look now. yeedi vac station comes in a big package. There are 4 boxes in total inside. Everything comes well protected, as you can see. As usual, take your time to unbox them one by one. Meet yeedi K781 Plus robot. Excellent build quality, all thanks to the sturdy plastic housing. Simple in design and white in color. The anti-collision sensors and bumper are located in front of the robot, followed by the mapping sensor and auto mode button are located on the top. The dustbin and multi-function cleaning tool are located inside the cover. And here are the power switch, Wi-Fi indicator, and reset button. A lot of stuff is located at bottom of the robot. This is the reservoir for mopping. And this is the main brush. There are 6 anti-drop sensors in total. Here is the universal wheel, 2 charging contacts, and carpet detection sensor. This is the edge brush. You need to install it manually. Finally, here is some of the information that you might want to know. FYI, yeedi is a sub-brand of EcoVast Robotics. Alright, let's have a closer look at the multifunction cleaning tool. And here is the edge brush. This is the dustbin with a large capacity of 420 ml. You just need to clean it after 120 hours of usage. The black one is the sponge filter, while the white one is the high efficiency filter. Just clean them with water will do. The reservoir is loaded with 240 ml in capacity. Let's have a closer look at it. This is the washable mopping pad attached to the mopping pad plate. You can remove it and wash it easily. Attach them to the reservoir and start mopping. Here is the dust container. Rock solid build quality as usual. The black part is the infrared signal emitter. Power cord port with a wrap. Here is the base. Loaded with a lot of anti-skid pads at the bottom. The U-shape is the dust evacuation tube. Some useful info that you might want to know. Lastly, this is the RAM extension. Here is the self-empty station. Attach all of them together. Just follow the guide to install them. It's simple. Single click to open. There is a dust bag pre-installed. And here is the inside look once the dust bag was removed. Dust bag installation is as simple as ABC too. As for accessories, here is the power cord with EU plug. Another extra dust bag is included for you and me. 1.5 L in capacity. It can hold up to 30 days of dirt and debris. A screwdriver and 3 base socket screws. Several documents like quick start guide, instruction manual, and safety info. FYI, they are online soft copy too.
Starting cleaning.
Yup, just leave everything to yeedi vac station and enjoy your afternoon tea. Everything is automated for vacuum. You can even schedule the cleaning tasks. Some manual work is needed for mopping though. For example, you need to fill up the water tank. Wash the mopping pad afterwards. By the way, there are several cleaning modes to select. I will explain them in detail in the yeedi app section. yeedi will go back to the self-empty station once finished cleaning. Empty the dustbin automatically and recharge it.
Starting charging. Please remove the cleaning cloth. Emptying the dustbin.
Here are the cleaning tests. In short, yeedi cleans very well. For your information, I'm using the standard vacuum power mode for all my tests. You can use the Max 3000 PA powerful strong suction power if you want. As you can see, yeedi can pick up larger stuff like mung beans easily too. Again, standard mode only. And it is good enough if you clean your home every day. yeedi is very intelligent. I'm using custom cleaning mode right now. You will clean based on the region that you set. As you can see, you won't go out of the region. In addition, you won't go up to the carpet if mopping mode is enabled. It will fall back when the carpet is detected. Great, right? yeedi can climb up the carpet with ease and will auto boost the suction power once on the carpet. Rest assured that the carpet is well cleaned too. Don't forget about its mopping ability. It cleans well on light stains. The big water tank can hold a lot of water for mopping for a single cleaning trip. Good for further cleaning up the floor after vacuuming. Don't expect heavy-duty mopping tasks from it though. No worry about the robot falling from the stairs. Yes, the anti-dropping sensors help to prevent that. In addition, yeedi can clean narrow spaces thanks to its small profile body. And it can go under the furniture easily too. yeedi vac station is also a very quiet robot vacuum cleaner. It is getting around 50 dBA noise level for standard vacuum power mode. Around 60 dBA for Max Plus vacuum power mode. That's great. Alright, let's have a look at the yeedi vac. Everything is pretty much straightforward and easy to use. Take your time to learn and configure it to suit your cleaning tasks. The system will auto-generate cleaning areas room by room after the first cleaning. You can label the room then. And even set up virtual boundary for place that you don't want to clean. You can also select it to clean twice, and you will start to clean based on the room that you have selected. Of course, you can select a certain area to clean. yeedi will start to clean that particular area then. Here are the cleaning records. For example, this is the auto cleaning based on the schedule that I set. yeedi managed to clean 31 square meters within 44 minutes, and all other cleaning records. Floor water flow levels can be set. Just pick the one that suits you most. You can also turn off vacuum if needed. 3 vacuum power modes to select. Standard is good enough for daily cleaning. Yes, the useful cleaning schedule. Set it once and leave it. You don't need to do anything after that. A lot of languages to select for robot voice notification. Lastly, here are the rest of the cleaning preference. Okay, let's create a custom cleaning task. yeedi will start to clean once the command is executed. It will go to the particular area and clean. Let's have a look at the actual cleaning result. Yes, this is the dirty stuff from the first floor. As you can see, there is a lot of dust and hair. The good news, you don't need to remove them yourself. The self-empty station will do the dirty work for you and me. By the way, the robot can last for 200 minutes on a single charge, more than enough for a large house, and requires around 6 hours to fully charge. Well, that's all for yeedi vac station review. In short, it is a solid and performing robot vacuum cleaner. It can sweep and mop at the same time. No more manual vacuum tasks thanks to the self-empty station. Interested? Please use my referral link below to shop. It will help to support my efforts. Don't forget to subscribe and thumb up too. Thanks. I'm Jace. Glad to see you around. Peace.